Welcome back to Technogeas. In this video, I am going to show you how you can install Play Store on your computer. The first thing we must do is go to the preferred browser and we are going to install BlueStacks 5. Maybe then when you see in the video we will other version. Let's go to where it say BlueStacks 5 and we see that we have the option to download. Okay, the file, we are going to download the file. Here we open and install. How to do this? Press here. Okay, press here and you can press starting, so we'll wait a moment once it starts. And once it starts, we can find in this will automatically not appear as Play Store icon. Here where apps appear, this for App Center. Okay, we're here and it will the Play Store icon appears, and with the small option that you can search for games or application. And it is the way we can see it. In fact, if we search here for an application like one in WhatsApp, it will appear to us. That will be all, guys. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us in your always reliable Technogeas.